10-39, how many solutions does each equation below have? It doesn't say to solve this, but I'm going to go ahead and solve these equations. I know it doesn't say to, but it's good practice. So we have this looks like a linear equation, and with a linear equation I would expect to have at least one or no solution. So we subtract 3x from both sides and we get x plus 3 equals 3, and then we subtract by 3 and we get x equals 0. And so when I check, it does check, so I have one solution. Alright, moving on to B. Alright, B is also a linear equation. I know that it's linear because x is, there's no cubes or squares or anything like that in the equation. So I'm going to distribute and combine like terms. So I get 3x minus 12 minus x equals 5 plus 2x. So I'm going to combine like terms on this side, so then I get 2x minus 12 equals 5 plus 2x. When I subtract 2x and subtract 2x, the x's cancel out, and so then I get negative 12 equals 5. And this can't happen, so this would be no solution. Alright, now moving on to C, and here I have two factors. This is a quadratic and it's set up to use the zero product property, so I know that 5x minus 2 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. So then I get 5x equals 2 and then x equals 2/5, and then x plus 4 equals negative 4. So my two solutions, in this case I get two solutions. And then the last one is x squared minus 4x plus 2. And I think we've got a perfect square, and so I think this factors to x minus 2 times x minus 2 equals 0, because it's a perfect square. And so then when we would do x minus 2 equals 0, we get x equals 2. So I get one solution. And remember, this is, a lot of times when we get a quadratic, we expect to get two solutions, but remember there's three situations that can occur. Your quadratic can cross and you get two solutions, and in this situation we cross and we get one solution, or we could also get a quadratic that doesn't cross, and that would be no solution.